Hello, friends. I have this gum machine. It works like this. We lower the coin and rotate the lever. And we get round chewing gum. Cameraman, guard.
Yes, sir.
And I decided to build the same gum machine, but from Lego. Here's what I got. There's a rotary lever here. Here, I made a hole for dispensing chewing gum. Coin acceptor. And a compartment for collecting coins. And also a flask for chewing gum. Let's fill the machine with gum. Ooh, Plungerman brought us a coin. Thanks, let's try it. No, the machine does not work with this coin. The scientist Skibidi toilet brought a bigger coin. Thank you. Let's try it with this coin. Great, everything works and we get candy. This is how the coin is removed from the chewing gum machine. My chewing gum machine turned out cool. Now let's see how it works. I disassembled the case a little. Now the whole mechanism is visible. Without a coin, the latch blocks the candy dispensing mechanism. The coin lifts the latch and makes it possible to turn the candy dispensing mechanism. This axis prevents the coin from falling prematurely. And this detail secures the candy from falling out. Use a small rubber band for the mechanism. This plate moves the axle and the coin falls into the coin collection compartment. I think the model turned out to be functional and reliable. Everything works correctly without bugs. Okay, write your opinion in the comments. Did you like my gumball machine? If you want complete instructions, write in the comments. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and like. Good luck.